I used 5/4 inch decking. It's easier to work with and it has a better appearance. Start laying the decking from the house ledger out using deck screws of your choice. Look at both sides of each deck board. Generally the knots are big on one side and smaller, not visible at all on the other side. Use the side where they are smaller or not visible at all. Use a screw or nail to properly space each deck board from one another as you're setting it. Lay each deck board so the uncut end faces in the direction that people see the most as they are walking up to the deck. Use a digging iron to pressure the decking together as you're setting it. The 5/4 inch decking generally has a lot of bends and twists.